Little pancakey, dude. I really don't. What's up guys, my name is Chris and you are watching the FlyRyde channel, where you're going to learn more about the parts, techniques, and the business of building custom lights. And I had to go visit Rad Dan in Santa Ana, California, because he's got a bunch of Supras and I needed to test fit some Supra lights. So the problem is we were building these crazy custom bracketed triple LED, bi-LED projector, like these things are just gnarly. And when you build something like that and you spend a bunch of time and money, well, the customer spent a bunch of money and we spent a bunch of time to build these things, we want to make sure that they're aimed properly and that everything's assembled the best that it possibly can be. And sometimes that means the only way to get it perfect is to put it on a car. So that's what we did. There's always the adjustments that can be made after the fact, but if you start messing with these things and light's fully assembled and you don't know how much it should go up or down, and you start messing with things to the point where things are coming into contact internally that aren't supposed to, you can really mess some stuff up, including any of the parts that might come into contact with this completely aftermarket shroud. It looks good, it looks like it's supposed to be there, but it's not. This whole section was originally just a big chrome high beam reflector. It didn't have a projector at all. This projector didn't belong there. This replaced the factory one. So we had to mount this first, use that as the basis for its cutoff line, and then do the same thing where we use this as the basis to match the cutoff line on that. All of this stuff is super easy to get wrong. So if you can imagine spending hundreds of dollars on parts and then crazy amounts of hours to do this, even if you're doing it yourself, and you get it all perfect, you go to mount it on the car, and then you've got a crooked cutoff line, or it's just completely aiming wrong, and if you start adjusting it, things start breaking. You can tell why sometimes having a car to actually work on to do the alignment and the things on a big hardcore projector retrofit is sometimes the safest bet to do it. But in this case, the customer's across the country, so we had to find a Supra, and a nice one to test them on, because if there's any front end damage, things can be off. We got them dialed in perfect, and they are now getting ready to ship back to the customer. Back to see some Supras! Visiting Rad Dan at Rad Industries again. Gonna try on some Supra headlights, give him his tail lights back we used for some ideas that we're gonna be doing next. And yeah, I don't know. I want to see what other crazy stuff he has. If you haven't seen Rad Dan's channel, I'm gonna link it below. You gotta watch it. This guy's a pro drift racer and he's got a shop where he builds race cars for other race car drivers. I mean, that's just good stuff. Let's go see him. The van. Supras. I see a blue Supra. I think that's the one he drove to New York for. There he is! What's up, man? Nice to see you.
How you doing?
Good. What's going on with this? This is the teardown, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna pull like the rest of this miscellaneous wiring and whatever.
Crazy.
Drop the subframe, put it up on that little like roller caster thing I made.
Damn.
Push it out here and pressure wash it.
Nice. Cool, man.
Yeah.
You guys got cars for days. I'm glad it's not dumping rain today.
And then I had gone over to the East Coast and I got that other Supra.
That's that one, right?
So
yeah. Hell yeah. Cool.
If I wasn't already busy, now I'm even busier because I'm trying to build that into a practice car.
And you got a big thriving YouTube channel all of a sudden, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. I think the first time I was here, it was at like 500 something, and then it just popped to 10K like nothing, so That's cool. I get to actually say that while it's only at 10K because it's gonna go nuts. So I'm excited for you, man.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
So we're gonna pull these lights off super quick, put these other ones on, and see if we can actually turn them on real quick and aim them, and I think we'll just be head to head with this one. The main thing I want to check is the beam pattern, so I'll get like a cardboard box or something and just stick it in front.
Why you doing all that? Slap me in the back.
Wasn't 100% sure before. Would you do me a fatty favor and hit the high beams? You look the low beams not hitting the camera. The high beams. So we're testing out the headlights. It's on the Supra. We got Renee's Supra. We tore her headlights off and got to test fit the triple projector headlights. So we tested the high beams, all that stuff. We leveled them. We used this really scientific method with the Sharpie and a cardboard box, and it looks good.
Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn. Put the stereo on. Put your hands in the air, we'll be alright. Oh, yeah. You keep messing up my mind, but I love your style.
We're gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix you. I'll make you better. I promise. Yes. Good stuff, man. Well, not quite as bright as it was a minute ago, but I'm so glad we got to test those things out. There on, brother. Thank you much for taking time to help me do weird stuff with weird lights, and we'll be back soon. So hopefully we'll come back, put a plan together for that beautiful Supra that you can't see because it's in the dark, but we'll do it. So you guys will see more Dan soon, all right? All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you can go and subscribe to Dan's channel. He's actually blowing up right now. He's gone from, I seriously think he went from 500 to 10,000 in like 3 months or something crazy like that. So it kind of helps when you're a professional race car driver to make a cool YouTube channel, right?
Not dump the clutch enough, or?
I don't know how high you went, but just be like twice as deep into the gas pedal at the point of disengaging. You can do it.
So follow my buddy Dan. He's definitely always got crazy amounts of information that you just don't hear about anywhere else. Race car drivers building their cars and really stepping you through their day-to-day. That's pretty cool. So I'm into it. I hope you guys are too. And just thanks for watching the channel and keeping up with what FlyRyde's doing. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Just make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and make sure if you like the video to let me know by giving it a thumbs up. All right, guys, take care.
Put the place up. Put my face up.